हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय पिलग्रिमेज ब्लॉग। और अब हम जा रहे हैं गिरनार जी फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद वाया रोड। और ये कम से कम 6 to 7 आवर्स की जर्नी है। एंड या आई एम सो एक्साइटेड। इट्स लाइक गॉड कॉलिंग अस देयर बिकॉज दिस वाज रियली नॉट प्लान्ड in our trip. And see the morning view from our room, guys. It's really unrealistic. It's beautiful, it's calm, it's peace, it's amazing. और हम जा रहे हैं दर्शन के लिए। ये जो पहाड़ आप देख रहे हो, हमको उसके ऊपर जाना है। दैट्स वेयर द टेम्पल इज़। और अब हम जा रहे हैं उदन खटोला में, विच इज़ वाया रोप वे। ऑफ कोर्स वी कुड हैव टेकन द रूट टू वॉक by the mountains and reach there, but since tomorrow we are going to one more pilgrimage where we have to climb 3,500 steps, so we decided that we'll take a ropeway to get up to the mountain. And of course, as you can see, the view, it's beautiful, it's unreal, it's amazing. See the peacock dancing there, guys. It's so awesome. Oh my god, I'm loving it. And see the view as we are moving further. You guys can see that there is a lot of fog and of course the clouds, and it's such a beautiful view, guys. Just like, you can't describe few things in words. This is how you feel like when you are at a place just so sacred, so beautiful, so spiritual. Everything feels so calm, so peaceful. You don't really think a lot about your life there. It's just that the gratefulness feeling that you have of being here, it just makes you feel so beautiful. Like your inner soul feels the satisfaction that you feel. It's just unreal, guys. Believe me, it's unreal where you are. See the temple, guys. Oh my god. And now we are walking 1,000 steps down to reach the temple. As you guys can see there, it's so beautiful, right? Like as if बादलों के बीच में ना मंदिर float हो रहा है with all the greeneries around. See this, guys. The temple is really very, very old. So guys, the Girnar Jain temple is a sacred complex of 16 temples which is built on Mount Girnar, and it is being dated back to 3rd century BCE, which is very historical, primarily dedicated to Lord Neminath, who is the 22nd Tirthankara, and he attained the nirvana there, and that's why it is one of the most holiest pilgrimage for Jains, guys. And that's the only reason I did not wanted to film anything inside the temple or around the temple. So we are going back downstairs, guys, as we finish doing our puja and darshan. Believe me, the feeling is something which I can't explain in words. I would definitely recommend any of you guys who are visiting Gujarat and wanted to go, irrespective of whatever religion you follow, I would definitely want you to just go and experience. And the spirituality and the energy that you will receive there, it's something very different, guys. So we are going and heading back to our rooms, and from there we just packed our bags, started our journey to the next pilgrimage, which is Palitana, guys. We have reached here, and of course by 5:40 a.m. we have just started our journey, because again it's lot of steps that we have to climb, guys. हमने शुरुआत जल्दी कर ली है क्योंकि हमें ट्रेन पकड़नी है 5 PM की, तो अभी हमने जल्दी इसलिए शुरू किया ताकि हम जल्दी पहुँचे मंदिर में, पूजा दर्शन हो जाए अच्छे से। और फिर So guys, this is the Shatrunjay Hill, and which is located in Palitana, as I mentioned, again in Gujarat, and it features around 863 marble carved temples and 2,700 monuments, so which is situated at an elevation of 603 meters, guys. This particular temple is very famously dedicated to our first Tirthankara, जो है भगवान ऋषभ देव, and we also call him as Adinath Bhagwan. And we reach here by climbing approximately 3,500 steps. The moment you come here, the moment you feel the air passing your face, and guys, the energy that you feel, and it's something which I cannot describe. It's just which can be felt deep within your heart and your soul, guys. It's, believe me, one of the most beautiful feelings in the world I can ever say. एंड आप देख सकते हो हम चल रहे हैं तो काफ़ी सारी सीढ़ियाँ चलनी पड़ती है, लेकिन वही है, थोड़े टाइम बाद ऐसे रास्ते भी आते हैं जहाँ पे आप अच्छा खासा चल सकते हो. लाइक वी हैव रीच्ड रामपोल, सो व्हेन वी रीच हियर इट्स लाइक वी हैव रीच्ड द टेम्पल, गाइस. not filming anything inside the temple. And guys, बहुत अच्छे दर्शन हुए. Literally, it felt amazing. And now we are heading back to Ahmedabad since we have to catch up the train. So yes, one of the most beautiful pilgrimage trip that I had, and something which was not planned, Girnaji, which happened, and it just really felt so good, guys. And I wish and I hope I come here back soon as possible. Road trips are beautiful, guys, and of course this entire pilgrimage tour was really calming and peaceful and beautiful. Guys, beautiful से याद आया, मैंने beautiful word बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर लिया इस vlog में. Sorry for that. And of course, please do like, share and subscribe, guys, and do let me know if you have any recommendations, suggestions on how I could improve my vlogs. And yes, I just hope मैं और vlogs लेके आऊँ, guys. मेरे में जोश भरा रहे. Bye bye.